Hello, lovely audience. Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitter password. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your password on Twitter, you just simply have to open this application, which is formally known as Twitter. Changing your password is a very simple and easy process. Now, you just simply have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. After tapping into there, you will find the Setting and Support option. Click into that, and select Setting and Privacy from here. It will lead you to the Setting tab of Twitter. Now, click into your account in the top. After clicking into there, you will directly get the Change Password button. Into here, you just simply have to enter your current password into the top box. After that, enter your new password into the second box, and repeat the same password in the last box to confirm the password. But remember, your password must have to be longer than 8 characters. After entering your new password, just simply click on this Update Password button. Then, your Twitter password will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching this video.